Hi, this is Charmin here. Today I'm going to talk about AIDS disease. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So at present, AIDS is well known as a killer disease of the world, and this disease was discovered in 1981 when I was born. And according to the statistics of USAIDs, worldwide more than 2.3 million people are infected by AIDS. Almost 40% of the infected person are female, and according to the WHO, this disease is spreading in about 164 countries. And AIDS disease is caused in human body by the attack of virus named HIV, and this virus destroys T cells, that is white blood cells. That it destroys the victim's immune system that protects a person against infection. Normally, when foreign particles such as germs enter our bloodstream, and our white blood cells are able to identify them. So the lymphocytes are then stimulated to produce antibodies to destroy the germs. Such as immune system protects our bodies against many diseases, right? So however, AIDS virus acts by destroying the victim immune system. The body is unable to produce sufficient antibodies to provide the immunity need to protect the person against many other diseases. So now I'm going to talk about causes. How to transmit, how to transfer one person to another person. So it's sexual or physical relation with infected males or females. Number 2, transfusion of blood because of blood loss due to accident, excessive bleeding at the time of childbirth, and anemia and thalassemia, cancer, and sharing needles whenever you are with an infected person. For example, when drug addicts share their needles one person to another person, and needles used for tattooing, acupuncture, or ear piercing may transmit the disease if they are not properly sterilized. So now I'm going to talk about how you cannot get this disease. So it must be emphasized that AIDS is not spread through toilet seats, or you sit together, you doorknobs, cough, and swimming pools, or mosquitoes sharing a home, schools, working place, and breathing the same air and using the same shower and cutlery and furniture as an infected person. So don't worry about that. Some person is infected, so it's not easily transmitted one person to another person. It's transmitted by fluid. All right, you must remember that. Right, now I'm going to talk about signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms are of the disease are exposed 6 months after the germs of the disease enters the bodies of the healthy person, and then symptoms are very negligible, and after some days it disappears. And after the entrance of HIV in human, it may remain harmless for a few months to years, and it just increases in number in host body. And when the number of HIV virus, then suddenly the patient is in a serious condition, and then there is nothing else to do for the patient. So before this, it's not easy to tell that infected person is the carrier of this disease. So the symptoms are rapid loss of body weight, fever for more than months or unknown reasons, dry cough for prolonged period, and pain in armpit, neck, face become rough, and swelling, and some organs are face, eyelids, nose, and itching whole body. So whenever you have this type of symptoms, you must go to doctor and take advice, and take a good healthy diet and good life, and that's it. Thank you very much.